Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator for beginners. First, ensure your system meets minimum specifications, typically including 16 gigabytes of RAM and a modern graphics card. Install the game and launch it. Next, navigate to the Control Options menu to set up your preferred input devices, such as a joystick or gamepad. Finally, adjust your graphics settings to balance visual fidelity with smooth frame rates, aiming for 30 frames per second. Now let's get you airborne. For your very first flight, select a smaller, more forgiving aircraft, like a Cessna 152 or a Cub Crafter's X-Cub. Pick a familiar airport with a long runway and set the weather to clear skies. Focus on mastering the fundamental controls, the throttle for speed, the rudder for yaw, and the ailerons and elevator for pitch and roll. Practice smooth takeoffs and gentle landings to build confidence. Once you're comfortable with basic flight, it's time to explore navigation. Familiarize yourself with the primary flight display, which shows your altitude, airspeed, and heading. Use the world map to create a simple flight plan between two airports. As you climb to cruising altitude, engage the autopilot to maintain a steady course and altitude, allowing you to enjoy the scenery and manage other systems. This feature is incredibly helpful for longer journeys. To further enhance your skills, delve into the in-game tutorials and landing challenges. These provide structured learning and immediate feedback. Connect with the vibrant online community. Many forums and groups offer invaluable advice and shared flight experiences. For a truly immersive experience, consider investing in dedicated hardware like a flight stick, rudder pedals, or even a full cockpit setup. The sky's the limit for your virtual aviation journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.